Right everyone, the first of 2 Sandwich Copart runs. We are on our way now down to go and pick up the Audi TT with the smashed in front end. So, have we bought a lemon? Have we not bought a lemon? Then the plan is to get that off and then head back down for the Maserati. A little bit nervous, can't lie. The weather is horrific out here, and yeah, hopefully we bought a bargain. So, see how we get on. As you can see, the weather is horrific. So we are on our way down to Sandwich, straight down the A249 and then down the M2. As we arrive into the gate, we can clearly see that it is very, very busy down here. The average wait time at the moment was around about an hour and a half, so we just had to wait our turn like everybody else. This is the bit I don't like. I actually feel sick. Looks like it's got an engine in though. Right, are you ready everyone? Let's have a quick look at this damage. So, bonnet, headlight, it doesn't look too bad, but then we don't know what we can't see underneath. But all the tyres are bald, alloys all need a refurb. Have a quick look at the side here. And straight down the side here. But got a half leather, 6-speed gearbox. Has got a key. Glove box is on the floor. But have a quick look around the back. Hopefully that will just pop out. Hopefully. So also we've got a bit of paint to do around the rear as well. All the tyres are knackered. The wind's definitely pushed in. Oh yeah. I won't do that too much. I don't want to damage the door. So, this is number 1. We'll come back for number 2. Right everyone, that is the Audi TT picked up. To be honest, first impressions, a little bit disappointed. It has got more damage on it than I was expecting. I thought it was only front end damage, but there is marks down the door. The driver's door doesn't open properly because the wing's hitting it, so there's a little bit of damage to the door to sort out as well. All the disc and pads are knackered, all of the tyres are knackered. It's got damage on the rear bumper that needs to be sorted out, so I'm not sure on this one if I'm happy about it or not, but that's the risk we take buying these vehicles. If it starts, runs and drives like it says it does, I'll probably be slightly happier, but it's going to take a little bit of work. I do like the shape of it, to be fair, and I quite like that rear spoiler that's on it. But it is the S Line, it has got the bits and pieces on it, has got nice seats in there, so we are in a sensible position, provided that that thing starts and drives off the trailer, which we will soon find out. But if it doesn't, then it doesn't bode well for the next purchase, which was a Maserati, and we know nothing about it. No keys, nothing. So let's get this one home, unloaded, and let's get back to the Maserati. Moment of truth, everybody. Weird start. Start, run and drive, yeah? Start, run and drive. Start, run, drive. This guy was only speeding because he needed a poo. So, winner. Right then, that is the Audi TT S Line. Picked up. Let's have a look what we got. Okay, so as you can see, front end damage, headlight, bonnet, grille, surrounds missing, all the wheels need doing, all the tyres need doing. Also, no locking wheel bolts supplied with the vehicle, but it does run, it does start, it seems to drive so far, but a little bit of work to do. See the twin exhausts there, we've got the spoiler there, but I'm going to have to get the locking wheel bolts off. It's going to need tyres, it's going to need wheel refurbs. It's got a little bit of damage on the rear bumper there, which I need to sort. The wheels, I've probably seen better days, but we'll do that. Same thing again. Wheels need a decent refurb, but what do you reckon, guys? What do you reckon?